It was great to work with Jeff. He's got awesome tips. I highly, highly recommend that you get out and take one of his classes.
Because Jeff has an awesome opportunity to teach others how to network, to be able to master those networking opportunities, and to help me with that 30-second commercial to be able to connect.
Jeff is amazing. Oh my gosh. He has a phenomenal class that I think every networker should take.
I didn't really know that much about networking and how to make it work for me. So after a lot of failed tries, I took Jeff's class. It really opened my eyes to the whole process of how networking is supposed to work and how to get the most value out of it.
Yes, and it was awesome.
It is so important if you're networking. He does an amazing class on it. I've taken it.
And it teaches you how to be a better networker.
If you're not getting what you need out of networking, take Jeff Klein's class.
And you're not getting any business, then you need to take Jeff's class. And it will actually get you more business. So take the class, will you?